we're really hungry and really tired. So we just figured out, well, we think we figured out how to use Uber.
It says Herbert is 3 minutes away, so we'll see.
So hopefully gets here, takes us to get some bagels, and it's all good.
And then we're gonna do our game plan for like the rest of the day.
Yeah, because we don't really know what we're doing today. We have pretty much every other day planned out. Today we just didn't think to do that. Today's where we're gonna like figure out how to use everything and like how to get places and like.
As far as like Uber or the metro.
Yeah,
So.
and apparently the bagels are supposed to be like so good you don't even need cream cheese here. That's serious stuff. So.
Oh, that's too much.
Hey guys, so here we are. This is the bagel store we went to.
We're like out in the city now. It's kind of like a
called
downtown area.
Something.
I think it's a street name.
Went to Lululemon. We've never been there in our lives. That was pretty fun. Yeah. Everything's really expensive, which I knew, but it's also really confusing to see if it's any more expensive than in America. So
there's a 15% sales tax. That's
so that's where we really don't know. And also, I don't know if it's worth the hype, so I don't want to buy it just because it's hyped up, you know? We're going down this alley.
Okay.
And then, also the driving is crazy here.
Oh, yeah,
It's so funny. No one just cares about anything. It's a lot like New York, I guess, in that way.
Yeah.
Anyway, where else did we go? Oh, we went to a plant store. We took pictures of that. And yeah, I know, I saw that. Anyway.
So we're at the grocery store right now. It's so different. Like, look at this.
I think you're supposed to grab your own food and put it in its own container.
Yeah, and everything.
And like, look at all this fruit.
in the open.
And there's lots of like organic and like real.
Everything is
Lots
like,
of culture, different types of foods. And also we went and got coffee. It was nasty. Hey guys, so we're back. I bought a water because that coffee was really gross. She got a Kinder Egg because they're not illegal.
Yeah.
And
We're
we're gonna go back to the hotel, but I don't want to pay that kind of money for an Uber. So I'm making Julianne walk a long ways just to make it cheaper.
Because we were gonna take a metro. We don't even know how to get to the metro.
There are grocery
And the
stores
metro's
called
gonna
metros
cost-
here.
Yes. I guess that's a word for metro or grocery store. Maybe metro means grocery store.
Or maybe it's
in
just a
French.
brand.
But so I calculated like if we were gonna walk all the way back to the hotel, it would take us 3 hours and 34 minutes.
I'm not gonna make you walk 3 hours. But let's just, you know, enjoy the city life, right?
Yeah, I'm really tired. We've been walking for a long time.
Yeah, we're kind of frustrated.
Yeah.
We don't know what's happening or anything. I'm really intimidated by buying stuff.
Yes, everything is so expensive.
It's not expensive, it just like
They have a
is
15%
different.
sale tax.
Yeah, but our $1 is, no, their $1 is 74 cents for us. So it probably evens out in the end, but I don't know.
I don't know.
So,
It's just scary.
yeah. I'm worried that we don't have enough money now. Because our Uber was like $30 this morning.
We're just figuring it all out. It's okay. We
Yeah.
did go a long ways.
Yeah, we did. But
Maybe
hey,
shouldn't have done that.
we got a bagel. And we went to Lulu. And we tried gross coffee. Now we
went
know.
to that cute plant store.
We went to a
Elle's
cute
gonna
plant
love
store.
that.
Look, we went to a boutique. And now look, we're just out here in the city. So we're really doing fine.
But it's okay though. Get back to the hotel. We're gonna go relax.
We're gonna go swimming and probably take a nap after that. And we're gonna have to figure out where all the metros are. We're gonna have to plan our trip basically that we're already on.
Yeah.
First endeavor together was traveling alone together.
In the city.
Yes.
Huge and scary, and we don't speak the language.
Yeah, I mean, we made it through the airport in Atlanta last year.
Yeah.
So I think we can figure this out. Like we figured out how to like kill the airport, so we got it.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. So yeah, I can never understand. Some of the words in French kind of look like things in English, but like also, if the sign doesn't look like an English sign, I don't know what it says.
Yeah.
Like open signs, if they don't have like the red line underneath them, I don't think I would know if it was open.
Yeah. That's
Some are-
open actually.
Yeah, but half the stores are French and half of them are English. Like, not very many are both. It's kind of like whenever you walk in, they speak French to you.
Yeah, like I walked into a store, I said, And Melody goes, punch door, and I go, hello.
Yeah, she's like, oh, hi. And they have to start like, but like their immediate thing is like to start talking French to us, and we're just like, hi, and like, it's just like a little bit different, you know what I mean? So, hey guys, so we're back at the hotel. We literally just got here and we just plopped right on the bed, like, so tired. Like, we looked at the pool and we don't, do you even want to go to the pool anymore? I don't have no motivation.
I don't really want to do anything.
Yeah, me neither. We don't want to do anything at all. We just want to sit here. We do need to plan our trip though. We need
We're
like
already here. We don't know what we're gonna do.
we need a notebook or something. I'll probably take a nap. I don't know if we're going out to dinner tonight. Yeah. Woo! We're back at the hotel. We're trying to plan everything. We ordered some Mexican food because we realized all we had to eat today was a bagel. So we figured we should probably eat something, and it's so good. Yeah, so we're just, you keep making noises.
I spilled it.
Oh. So we're just chilling here eating our food. They're just picking us up some bowls from Quesada. So yeah. That's what we're doing. Julianne's opening her Kinder Egg. I already took it out of the foil and Kitty was like, should we vlog this? So, we're dedicated vloggers.
Yeah. Okay. I guess there's supposed to be a toy inside. Ooh.
How is this a hazard?
Why is this illegal? What?
It's inside of a container, inside of a package.
It's like a little thing.
pod.
And then a piece of paper and a little toy car is what I got.
Can I have some of your egg?
Yeah, you have it.
Oh, yeah. Because I've had the ones in America and the white stuff you have to like spread. Like, you know? Have you had one?
Yeah. Those are weird.
It's good chocolate. We've just been chilling for hours, guys. I know I haven't seen you in a long time. We finished our paper. Everything except for how to get to the place we're supposed to go tomorrow. But honestly, we could just move the days if we really needed to figure it out.
What did I just do?
We had a little encounter. The like room service lady came to clean our room, and she only speaks French, and I only speak English. And so I speak English. I'm sorry. And she didn't know what I was saying. And she's like, "Oh no!" And I was like, "Oh no!" And
basically, she was asking if it was okay for her to only clean the bathroom since we were in our bed watching TV.
And I was like, she was like, bed?
She
and I was like, oh.
Lots of gesturing, and she was like,
I didn't understand any of it. I was like, toilet? She's like, no. Bed. She got it out. So, yeah, no, we didn't need the beds made. You know, Mom to go get dinner. She said she's gonna be home at 5, and it's basically 6.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julianne. Happy birthday to you. Blow it up quick.
It already burned.
really are looking.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Future Katie again. Hope you enjoyed day 2. And yeah, please like and subscribe.
Missing someone.